Tonight, I went into Foodland to get some poke. Not a whole bucket, just a small little bowl, the small kind. Rice with a little poke on top. Then I took it home, heated up a pan of butter, or buttier, whatever you call it. I have a slight accent. But I heated the pan to the butter melted. Then I shredded up some garlic. You can actually smell the garlic if you come up to the screen. Then I poured the entire contents of the poke bowl inside of the pan. And if you notice, I have the fish on the bottom that's actually against the pan with the rice on top. And I put the garlic in there because I want the garlic to slowly cook, not as fast as the fish, but a little bit slower. Now I'm heating this up, and the poke, the fish, is actually chili ahi. And if you're not familiar with what ahi is, it's actually tuna, fresh tuna in chili sauce. If you notice what I'm doing right here, I'm slowly stirring the pot, the pan actually, with the fish against the oil, heating it up, cooking it, but not cooking the rice as fast or at a high temperature as the ahi. Now the purpose of this is just to sear the tuna. Actually, I do more than sear. I want the whole thing to be cooked because I don't like raw fish. I think it's kind of, anyway. So I'm heating up the fish, and I'm putting a little bit of salt and pepper on top. And all of this adds to the flavoration. And slowly stirring the fish around. Not yet quite ready to flip the rice into it because the rice will actually cook fast. And that's not what I'm going for. I'm going for cooking the tuna thoroughly through. And when it gets close to being done, I'll start stirring it enough to put the rice against the pan, being cooked by the butter. But that comes at the end. So you can see that I'm spacing out the rice, allowing heat to go through. And I'm beginning to actually stir the tuna into the rice, mixing the flavors into the rice. Smells quite nice. Talking about the rice. It's hot outside. I need some ice. This food was cheap. I can't remember the price. But when I was walking out the store, I saw some people in the corner shooting some dice. I wanted to play, but I didn't know the price. Somebody's knocking at the door. Hope it isn't ice. Rapping, that's my only vice. But we're talking about the tuna sitting in the rice. I'm rapping. I hope this explanation will suffice. the Ninja Turtles, Minter, I think he was a mice or mouse. What would you do if you had those inside of your house? And when you're all done with the tuna and rice, just go ahead and stir it up one more time and place it into a bowl just like this. Come up to the screen and smell it. Come up to the screen and smell it. Doesn't it smell good? Absolute